If you are looking to get some energy balls, which are not the run out of the mill cocoa based sweet energy balls, rather, if you are in the mood for something which is spicy and tingles your tongue, then you are in for a treat today, because these energy balls are made without any kind of heating, retaining most of the nutrients and give you a very hot spicy taste hopefully, and you are going to enjoy this. And here is the best part, these can be made in a jiffy, just like that, in about 10-15 minutes time. That's about it. So why wait? Watch this video and make some for yourself at your home in a cheap and healthy fashion for you and your family, and hopefully for some friends as well. Please do share. If you are interested in improving your health and spirit or lose some unwanted weight, do subscribe to my channel and watch some of my videos and follow the advice. You will see results within weeks, if not sooner. 1 cup of almonds, half a cup of desiccated coconut flakes, 1/4 cup of dry plums, also called as prunes, pitted of course, no seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those red hot chilies, because I like them to be hot. And of course the taste enhancer, how can we do without it? Half a teaspoon of rock salt. You can also use Himalayan pink salt, which is almost the same thing. And we will dump all of these into a blender. I will be using a high speed blender, but you could use whatever blender you have at home. In this recipe today, I am looking for a consistent, nice snack. So that's why I am putting all of them together in a high speed blender rather than using a food processor. The prunes that I am adding here should be able to help stick together all the ingredients. If need be, I will add more prunes. Instead of chili flakes powder, the red chili powder, I am using the whole chilies, because if there are a few chunks here and there left of the chili flakes, I would rather like them in that form than in the powdered chili powder form. That's why I am including the chili flakes, all of them together in the whole form. I will also be using the tamper rod as needed, so that I am able to blend this together very well. So I will dump all of this mixture into a bowl and make some handy energy balls out of this. So that's how this has come up. It is quite sticky, thanks to some fats in the almonds and the desiccated coconut, and of course the stickiness that is added by the prunes. The prunes will give a slightly sour taste, something like tamarind that we will use in regular Indian cooking. So we'll make some, or rather I will make some balls out of these energy balls and keep them aside. This will be a little oily, therefore making the balls is quite easy. One important tip while processing is that you do not over blend them, because if the entire oil from the almonds come out, then the entire mixture will become dry and you may not like it. We just want enough oil to come out so that it becomes sticky and then easy to make balls and also tasty. So make sure that you never over process it, or else the almonds will become quite pulpy and you may not like the taste. Do you see that orangish yellow liquid? That is the one which invigorates me. Hot red chili powder mixed with oil. My God, this is going to be really tempting to my tongue. I want to savor this as soon as possible. So I was able to make all these energy balls with the half a cup of almonds, 1 cup of almonds, half a cup of desiccated coconut, and so on. I'm just eager to taste it, see how it has come out. Tasting time, always exciting because I am making new recipes almost every time I make a recipe. I rarely repeat anything that I have done in the past. Not never, but very few times. So this is something I have never done it earlier. I think the combination of prunes and chili is going to be quite nice, and the energy boosters will be the desiccated coconut and the almonds, which will give me all the energy. So I am hoping this will be both tasty as well as healthy. Healthy, I'm pretty sure, because those are the ingredients that I have used. Tasty or not, let's check it out. It could be very hot as well, I don't know. It's not very hot. Yeah, definitely it's a bit hot, but not very hot. I think the chilies I have added have been just right, neither less nor more. Surprisingly, the prunes taste is not much. The sourness that I was expecting from prunes, I did not get it adequately, but the overall taste is very well. I can enjoy this as a hot snack anytime. If I am bored of eating all the sweet stuff every time, because the reality is that in the raw food, particularly if you are dependent on fruits and nuts, then you end up eating quite a bit of sweet stuff. So I tend to have this feeling, I want to have something like a snack, something that is salty, that is sour, that is hot, that is spicy. So this gives me an opportunity to escape from that sweet tooth that I mostly have. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I think you should try it out. You're going to like this. Pretty sure you're going to like this. I think you should try it at your home and enjoy for yourself and your family members. If you like it to be a little less spicy, you can reduce the number of chilies by 2 or 3, but I'm quite happy about it. And if you want it very hot, I can easily recommend adding another 3 hot chilies on this. It will be fairly spicy, but you will still be able to enjoy the taste. Thank you for watching again. If you like the video, please click on that like button. That's very important for me to encourage me making more videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Bye bye. I was benefited by adopting a mostly raw food based diet during early 2018. I lost 23 pounds or 11 kgs of weight, got rid of type 2 diabetes and hypertension within 100 days of adopting this diet. Both these diseases have shadowed me for 18 long years. I also got rid of high cholesterol and a potential angiogram for coronary correction, which issues have cropped up in 2017. My goal for this channel is to convey to people that this is not an impossible diet to follow, and to encourage people to move into this diet and become healthy both physically as well as mentally. I make recipes that are simple to make, delicious and visually appealing as well.